Hi everyone, this is Unreal Fusion. Today I will show you how to I recreate the Hawaiian landscape using Unreal Engine 5.6 from importing height maps, water, foliage and other things. It's a beginner friendly workflow using Unreal Engine 5.6. Let's jump in. First of all, this is final work. This quick overview will create this island using a layered material. As you can see, this is water islands. Let's take a look in Google Maps. Look at this. As you can see, this is the Hawaii map here in Area Engine 5.6, Snowy Mountain, and you can look at this in my Google Maps. It looks the same, but the foliage is different between foliage. Look at this, the same map. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, let's begin. Let's don't save. Let's create a new project. Rename it Hawaii. Open the engine. Go to games, to third person, name the project Hawaii Landscape. Hit create. Okay, now let's go to file. Create new level, set empty level, hit create. Okay, now let's go here to the landscape and import it from the height map. The height map, Hawaii height map landscape in the link in the description. Okay, height map file. Choose this one. I have two files. This Hawaii and this one. I want to choose this for now. Okay, it's a bigger height map. Around 8 kilometers per 8. Okay, now let's go here. Set the speed camera 32. Import the landscape. It takes some time because it's heavy height map. After that, let's save my level, save current level, set new map. Now let's go here to the window. Let's set up the lighting environment light mixer. Create skylight, directional light, sky atmosphere. Create height for volumetric cloud. And close this. Now this is my first look of my Hawaii height map. Mountains and this is landscape. Okay. Now the next setup is to go here to add my material. Let's go here to the content drawer, add, go to Fab, and search for MW Landscape Auto Material. Download this asset. It's for free. MW Landscape Auto Material and add to my project. After downloading this package and adding it to the project, close this. Okay, for me I already downloaded this. Okay, now select the landscape right here. Once it's selected, go down. Landscape material and add material in this place. Go to the content drawer. Landscape auto material, landscape. Okay, we want to choose this landscape material. Select this and press here. Let's take some time to apply all the texture. Be patient. Okay, the texture are done. Auto-saving audit packages. Okay, this is my Hawaii map. Let's go down and let's add player character right here. Let's go here, go to the basics, player start. Okay. Let's play. Okay, this is my map. Okay, we are missing the fork right here. Okay, let's fix the problem. Let's go here. Volumetric. Okay, plus exponential height fork. Okay, it's fixed. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you guys for watching this or for this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel. Hit comment, like, and donate